Hello everyone and welcome to this navigational tutorial. For this tutorial, I will be using the sandbox, which resembles the similar information that can be found in a regular course of EDL 100. The first thing you see once you click the icon is the course's homepage. On the homepage, you have information about the course dates, course communication. You have some icons that are linked to specific information, such as Start Here, which is your orientation module, instructor information, course syllabus, and course modules. Towards the bottom of the homepage, you have two columns, one general course links and the other one course topics. Under general course links, you find specific information that is linked in order for you to read or reread if you need to. Under course topics, you have an outline of the course, which is divided into weeks 1 through 15, and you have the topic that will be covered for that specific week. In this course, anytime you see a word or a phrase that is highlighted in blue or underlined, that means that that particular word or phrase is linked to specific information. To get started, I'm going to scroll back up and I'm going to show you another way to access course information. On the left-hand side of your screen, you will see a navigation bar. It contains the same information as you saw on the home page. Let's start with the course syllabus. Under the course syllabus tab, you have the course syllabus in a way that you can scroll, read what you need to read. It contains information about the course, learning outcomes. It contains required textbooks, assignment description, important dates, fieldwork information, how your grade will be calculated, and it also includes academic policies. What's also included in the syllabus are links, such as here. When you scroll over it, it highlights in yellow. When you click on the link, it will take you to that particular page. The last two pages of the syllabus contain the course schedule. The course schedule serves to show you the topic, date, and the homework assignments that are due for that particular week. To get back to the course homepage, you simply click on Home and it takes you back to the homepage. Another piece of information that I would like to show you is the course modules. Again, you could click here or you can click here on the icon. Under course modules, as you can see here, the orientation module. If you scroll down, you see each week's module. Each module is composed of the following. You see a week overview and a week wrap-up. In between these, you see any activities or assignments that are due for that particular module. In the course overview, you will see the course objective, what you need to do for that particular week, and any resources that pertain to that week. To click back to modules, you simply click on modules. Now, the last component for each module is the wrap-up. Under the wrap-up, you will see what you have learned, and you will also see a brief list of activities or assessments that you completed. In case you did not complete one, you simply click on Previous and it takes you back to that particular assignment. You can also click on Modules and click on a particular title that you're not sure whether you completed or not, and it takes you right to that page. Another feature that I would like to show you is grades. Any assignment that you turn in, after it is graded, you will receive a message, and if you want to check your grade, you simply click on Grades, and it will give you, yours will look a little bit different than mine. It gives you the assignment, and it'll give you your score. Okay, let me go back home here. Another feature that I want to show you is, as part of the communication plan for this course, we will use two things. I will use the announcements, as you can see here, the welcome message, and other announcements that I will add throughout the course. And this will serve as a way for me to communicate any important information, any upcoming assignments that are due, or any questions that your peers might have. Another way to contact me, if you see here the Canvas inbox, you simply click on it. If you want to compose a message, you click here on the pencil. Subject, type your name, and then type your message and click send. You can also contact me through my regular campus email. Now to go back to the home page from the Canvas inbox, it's going to take you to the dashboard and you simply click on the course. Now, any additional information that you have or any questions that you have, you can also click under discussions. There is a discussion post. Click ask questions here. Under this discussion, it is designed to simply provide a way for any peer or yourself to ask a question. Either myself or any classmate can answer it. All you do is click on reply, type your question, and then click post. Now, in order for you to know whether you received an answer or not, you have to log back into the dashboard, or you receive an email stating someone responded to your question. Or you could always go back and read the threads. Okay. So this is all for the navigation tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me either through the Canvas inbox or through my campus email.